Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abatan Sherifdeen. In this video, I want to show you how to find and replace data in Microsoft Excel, especially when you have a large data group. It won't be funny scrolling up and down on your worksheet. But before we get started, if this is your first time on my channel and you'd like to be a Microsoft Excel Pro with straight to the point tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. And do watch out for my new series on advanced Excel formulas and functions and data visualization using Excel charts and graphs. So let's jump into Microsoft Excel and learn how to find and replace data on your worksheets. Let's get started. Hi, welcome back from the short break. So here in Microsoft Excel, I have a well-formatted worksheet by name, department, and states, hours, and so on. Let's say I want to look for some people in a particular state. All I have to do is come to the Home tab or the ribbon bar, come to the editing section, you see Find and Select. And I click the drop down menu, I click on Find, and this dialog box pops up. Let me just close that. Let me show you a shortcut to do that. Just press Ctrl F on your keyboard, and same dialog box will pop up. So I can just type here and type the keyword Oyo, and I click on Find Next. It automatically find on my worksheet the keyword Oyo, O-Y-O, and I click on Find Next. And rather than clicking on Find Next, I can just simply click on Find All. You see, and this dialog box, this section here pops up. So I can simply click and it will take me to where those keyword is on my worksheet. So let me just close that out. Let's say I want to find and replace a particular keyword on my worksheet. Same, go to the Home tab, under Find, click on Replace. Another way to do that is shortcut. And then you like shortcut, just press Ctrl H on your keyboard. You see, that's that. Let's say I want to look for a particular department and replace it. Let's want to look for the HR department. Here you can see just written HR. And just click HR here. I'll replace it with the word with the full name, Human Resources. So let's do that, and I click on Find Next. Rather than doing that, let me just click on Find All. You see, and let's do that. I just click on what? Replace all. So all done. We have three replacements, and I click OK. You can see it's automatically replaced it for me. Let me just make that to fit. Yep, perfect. Let's do it for executive also, or let's do for IT or sales or marketing. So that's basically how to find and replace data. Super fast, super easy in your Excel worksheet. So you can practice for all other department, all other keywords. So in this description of the video, you find the link to download this Excel file so you can practice also. So if this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do check back on my channel for more videos on Microsoft Excel. I'll be dropping new videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. And do watch out for my new series on advanced Excel formulas and functions and data visualization using Excel charts and graphs. Bye bye. See you in the next movie. And don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Do have a great day.